Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today, well, very honored that I have the visit to this lovely studio of the famous Peaky Blinders. Peaky Blinders Irish Whiskey by Sadler's Distillery. So this is a really cool history, you guys, behind the bottle and behind the actual Sadler's Distillery. Interesting fact, these guys, they used to have pubs. And in these pubs, they used to be visited. They became friends with the actual Peaky Blinders. These sloggers, they were the street gangs in Ireland. And well, there is a very interesting facts behind that friendship between the Sadlers and the actual mobsters. But another interesting thing is the actual Peaky Blinder. They used to have these razor blades in the tip of the hats, and they used to attack with them. So that being said, I want to say cheers to the good friends and good friendships that they seem to be like they work for a very long time in any different way. Special thanks to my friend Marco Cortez. And with that being said, let's jump into this bad boy. This is going to be the Red Irish. Please check this out. Stay here with me. All right, so let's start making the Red Irish. Let's going to start with 1.5 ounces of Peaky Blinders. We're going to be making 2 cocktails. So let's go for 3 ounces. We're going to use Hibiscus Concentrate. So thinking about in about 1.5 cups of water, you're going to have a handful of the actual Jamaica and just put them inside of the hot water boiling. Just let it sit. And then after that, just remove it and put them in a little squeegee bottle. So you're going to go for 3/4 ounce. Let's put 1.5 ounces right here. Lemon juice, let's go for 1 full ounce per cocktail. That'll be 2 ounces. And then we're gonna use some Orgeat. This is actually in almond syrup, and there are a lot of ways to do it. You can buy it already done. This one is actually the brothers. This is actually very good one. Otherwise, you can just check your internet for recipes. Very easy and simple to do. Otherwise, what you can do is your Jamaica, your hibiscus, you can make simple syrup of hibiscus, and that will substitute the whole sweets. So for this guy, we're gonna go for also 1 ounce per cocktail. So 2 full ounces here. Let's put some ice. Let's give it a good shake. Much better. All right. For the garnish, we're gonna do with something, just a little exception this time, you guys. About some zest, lemon zest with sugar. Very easy. You get one of these little micro grinder. Just get a little bit of the zest of your lemon, put a little bit of sugar, and just mix it. That'll be more than enough. And you're gonna do just like a little quarter for some little extra tart sweet on your rim, in case that you're looking for a little extra sweet for your cocktail. Put some ice. And also for your garnish, let's grab a little bit of a dry hibiscus with a little baby pin. We're just going to have one like that, one like this. All right? So there you have it, you guys. The Red Irish with the Peaky Blinders.